In a world dominated by expensive design software, one tool stands completely free. Open source. Powerful, complex, and controversial.
This is FreeCAD, and here's what you really need to know in 2025. FreeCAD is totally free. No licenses, no subscriptions, no locked features. Whether you're an engineer, maker, student, or hobbyist, it's yours to download and use. Its biggest strength? Parametric modeling. Every shape you make can be controlled by dimensions and changed at any point. But fair warning. FreeCAD isn't hand-holding you. The learning curve is steep. The interface feels more like engineering software from a decade ago than a modern app, but the customization makes up for it. Still, the power under the hood is no joke. You can go from 2D to 3D in minutes, and your full model history stays editable the whole time. It's open source, and the community is active. There are add-ons for gears, sheet metal, even finite element analysis. And yes, it can export for 3D printing too. Want it darker, cleaner, more efficient? FreeCAD is incredibly customizable if you're willing to tweak it. So, is FreeCAD the future of design? Maybe not for everyone, but for those who take the time to learn it, it's an open gateway to serious 3D power. Tell me, have you tried FreeCAD? Let's talk in the comments. And if you found this helpful, you know what to do.